Hi, I'm Andy, the trend follower. It's the 1st of January 2021. Welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes, and I hope this new year is kind to all of us. I don't know which asset class is going to do best, so I follow 5 of them: shares, property, gold, commodities and cryptocurrency. Let's have a look at shares first of all, and this week the price of the fund that I'm invested in rose up further. It's risen 100% since the last buy signal. But I haven't made that gain as I did not follow the signal immediately, but I hesitated and got in late thinking that I knew better. Oops, something that I regret now. Anyway, I'm staying invested for the time being. Let's look at property next, and this week my property fund rose up nicely. Look at that, it's above the green line, so I'm staying invested. Let's look at the price of gold. And do you remember that a week ago I had a sell signal where the price closed just below the green line? And I said that I'd watch and wait and see what happened. Guess what? This week it closed just above the green line, which is a buy signal for me. I'm already invested, as you know, so I'll stay invested in gold here. Commodities are next, and a big rise for my commodities fund this week. I'm staying invested in this nice one. Cryptocurrency is next, and my crypto investment continues to rise exponentially. Will it ever stop? I'm staying invested, of course. So how have the asset classes performed during 2020? Here are the annual results of the funds that I invested in. My shares fund is up 110% over the past 12 months. My property fund went down 12%. My gold fund went up 17% during 2020. And my commodities fund is up 54% in 2020. The crypto that I'm invested in is up 300% during 2020. If I'd just bought these and held these, I would have done very nicely. Thank you. Jumping in and out of the market comes at a massive price, but it could save me from a massive market crash, I guess. A chart like this, for instance, is rubbish for a market timer. Buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. Very expensive. It's far too choppy. But a chart like this is perfect for a market timer with much clearer entry and exit signals. Much more trendy. There's also tax to consider. I'm happy to liquidate a trade if the profit is tax-free within an ISA or a SIP, for instance, but cryptocurrencies can't be held in these tax wrappers in the UK anyway. So I probably don't want to completely liquidate any crypto holdings because of tax implications. I guess they may be more of a buy and hold investment. I'm not sure. This is not tax advice, by the way, just my own thoughts on the subject. Let's get back to this week and have a look at the traffic lights for each of the asset classes. Shares remain a green. Property is still a green. Gold has turned green again. Commodities are still a green, and crypto too remains a green. So what do I have to do this week? Well, I'm already invested in gold, so I don't need to do anything. I hope this has been of some interest. Do you want to see a weekly update? Make sure you're signed up to my email list on my website. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. This video is just about what I do. It's not advice from me to you. Hope you have a good week. I'll do another video for you next weekend. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.